Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest app tricks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to remove a card from the DoorDash app in 2025. Whether you're updating your payment info, switching to a new card, or just decluttering your account, this step-by-step guide will get you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the DoorDash app updated to the 2025 version. This ensures you have all the latest features and security updates. Open the app on your smartphone and log in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon, usually found in the top left or right corner. It looks like a little person or your initials. Next, scroll down and look for the Settings or Account Settings option. This is where all your personal info is managed. Inside Settings, find and tap on Payment Methods. Here, you'll see a list of all the cards or payment options linked to your account. Select the card you want to remove by tapping on it. A menu should pop up with options like Edit or Remove. Go ahead and choose Remove or Delete Card. The app might ask for confirmation to prevent accidental removals, so tap Yes or Confirm to proceed. That's it. Your card should be removed instantly. If you run into any hiccups, like the option not showing up, double-check that you're using the latest app version or try logging out and back in. Removing a card is a smart way to keep your account secure and organized, especially with DoorDash's ongoing updates in 2025 for better privacy features. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more how-to guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.